Imagine an AI that not only writes but also codes and analyzes data with human-like dialogue. Claude AI is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology, making complex tasks simpler and more intuitive. Claude's capabilities extend beyond basic tasks. It can engage in meaningful conversations, providing insights and solutions that enhance your projects. Whether you're writing a blog or analyzing data, Claude is your go-to assistant. To begin using Claude AI, sign up on their homepage. Choose to continue with email or Google, verify your account, and you're ready to explore. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of access. Once logged in, navigate the interface effortlessly. Claude's user-friendly design ensures you can start asking questions or uploading documents immediately. It's all about making your experience seamless and efficient. Claude excels in summarizing research papers and generating blog content. Use prompts to refine responses, ensuring you get precise answers. It's about leveraging AI to enhance your productivity and creativity. Beyond text, Claude analyzes images and financial data, offering insights that drive informed decisions. Its advanced features are designed to cater to diverse needs, making it a versatile tool for creators. Claude integrates seamlessly with platforms like Slack and Zoom, enhancing collaboration. Compared to ChatGPT, Claude prioritizes factual accuracy and transparency, making it a reliable choice for professional environments. While Claude has limitations, understanding them allows you to optimize its use. By integrating Claude into your workflow, you'll unlock new efficiencies and elevate your projects to new heights.